Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to whiten teeth in just a few simple steps using Affinity. First, I opened my image in Affinity and switched to the pixel persona. To keep the original image safe, I right-clicked on the layer and selected Duplicate. Next, I went to the rectangular marquee tool, right-clicked on it and chose the freehand selection tool. Then I gently traced around the teeth to make a clean selection. Once the teeth were selected, I went up to Adjustments and clicked on HSL. In the HSL panel, I clicked on the yellow channel. Then I reduced the saturation by sliding it to the left to remove the yellow tones, and increased the lightness by sliding to the right to make the teeth brighter. I closed the panel and pressed Ctrl+D to deselect. And now, look at the result. Here is the before and here is the after. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.